We've just completed the deep conditioning portion in the shower, and I want to move on to the next step of deep conditioning, which is actually sitting under the dryer. So I have here my Laila Ali portable dryer, and it's got a few different pieces. I love this thing. I don't even buy the big hooded ones anymore that are portable, because the neck always seems to, I don't know, it's like a gooseneck. It just breaks, and that got irritating. After purchasing about 3, I got tired of spending my money on those, and this thing is heaven. So it's got a cap that you want to put over your hair. Let me show you guys the cap. So, and then it's got like an elastic string with a button so you can adjust. I kind of like to position my bag with the hole kind of in this area, not necessarily on the weight, on the back. Mine is already set for my head. And as I told you guys before, I do not like for things to cover my ears because I feel trapped. Judge me, I don't care. And I like to pull the conditioning cap down a little bit on my forehead, not to where it pulls off the back, but just so that I can put this dryer cap on. Then you have, dun 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 dun. Well, that didn't work, but there's a hose that pulls out of it. Then I fasten it in the little hole. Everything is good to go. And there's one extra step I like to do. I like to just take like a hand towel. I like to put that around my neck, and then I just fasten it here at the front. And what that does is that prevents any burning from the heat on my neck. So here comes the magic. Here comes the magic. When you turn it on, you see everything is all flat and blah, but when you turn it on, wait for it. What is going on with my head? You will see that it starts to expand. Once the heat gets in there, it blows up and you look like a mushroom from Super Mario Brothers. You look like a big old mushroom. See that? I think this is kind of cool, and so I like to see the mushroom on my head. So what I'm going to do is sit here no less than an hour, and after an hour I will come back, I will take my hair down, rinse it out, and show you guys the end result of the deep conditioning. Alright guys, so I'm back after an hour of deep conditioning, and I'm going to keep my towel on because every now and then moisture that has been gathered in the conditioning cap will kind of drip off. So I'm just going to take off the dryer cap and remove the deep conditioning cap. Let me just untwist one portion here, and you can see how bouncy my hair is. It's very, very soft. And even that part that is my little Sahara patch is soft. So I'm going to run to the shower and rinse it out. I like to rinse in hot water because I want to imitate what was just on the hair as far as the heat. So I like to rinse it in hot water, and then I immediately rinse my hair in cold water to seal in the moisture. I've completed my deep conditioning routine. You can see my hair here with no product. It's healthy, it's soft, it's bouncy. So one thing you'll notice about my hair is the left side of my hair seems to be a bit longer than the right side. My hair is actually the same length on both sides. I just have more of a looser curl pattern on this side and more of a tighter curl pattern on this side. But it works. It's my hair and I love it. So whatever your hair does, love it, make it work for you. Thanks for watching my video. God bless.